AI video generation is not slow. Today we have another AI video generator that can generate very high quality videos as well as sound effects.
I will save the realm!
It also offers many different cool video effects. So I'm excited. Let's take a look at more works generated by this powerful AI video generator. Wow! Aren't these visuals absolutely stunning and magical? And guess what? They weren't generated by VEO 3 or Kling AI. Instead, I found an incredibly powerful tool called LumeFlow AI. All of the scenes you just saw were created with LumeFlow AI. This tool doesn't just offer cutting-edge text-to-video features. Most importantly, it gives you multiple options. You get access to the latest Google VEO 3 model. Yes, that's the highly talked about advanced model everyone's raving about. You can also try out all the top AI tools and models on the market, including Kling AI, Pixverse AI, and VEO AI. On top of that, LumeFlow AI has its own impressive AI video models. These can accurately add sound, match scenes, and really bring your videos to life. In this video, I'll walk you through this tool, focusing especially on the VEO 3 model so you can see its true magic. Let's start by clicking the LumeFlow AI link in the comments below. On the LumeFlow AI homepage, you'll find a ton of fun, completely free features to explore. For example, there's Video Remix, which lets you use AI to remix and parody popular IIP videos. There's also an image-to-video feature, but today we're focusing on text-to-video. Let's dive right in. Click on the AI video option, and you'll see this interface. First, choose your video model. There are 6 powerful, brand new models to pick from. We'll test them all, but we'll pay special attention to Google VEO 3 and Kling AI. Each model has its own unique style for generating different types of videos. Now, let's pick our favorite. Google VEO 3. Click to select it. We've got our prompt ready, so just paste it in. Then set some basic options like video resolution, duration, and output quality. These are standard settings. Once everything is set, just hit the generate button. Now the magic happens. Video generation begins. Wait a few seconds. Done! The video's ready. Let's take a quick look. Wow, it looks perfect. The quality, style, audio, and visuals are all spot on. The results are truly stunning. You just can't look away. Next, let's try Kling AI. Make sure to select this model, enter your scene or idea in the prompt box, just like before, and choose your basic settings. Alright, the video is done. Let's check it out. Wow, the visuals and audio are amazing. Honestly, I'm really impressed by how well everything is matched. For the third model, let's try Pixverse AI. Video generation is super fast and it's ready. Check this out. The quality is incredible with refined visuals and rhythm. Another super impressive result. Now let's test Halo AI. Again, just set the basic parameters and hit Generate. Wow, the visuals are beautiful and artistic, with really smooth motion. Definitely worth a try. Finally, let's try VEO AI. There are a few more parameters to choose from, but they're all very straightforward. Just pick what you need. I asked VEO AI to generate a cute, fluffy cat. Click Generate. Wow, look at the result. The image quality is great. This model definitely offers great value. So that's a showcase of all the models. No doubt VEO 3 delivers the best video quality, but it requires more credits. If you want to save credits and still get high quality results, the other 5 models are great options. Choose the one that fits your needs. But do you think that the top-notch AI video generation feature is all that LumeFlow AI has to offer? There's also a very popular feature called Remix Video, which allows you to edit videos online and add effects with just one click. Let me show you. Let's first take a look at 2 interesting AI parody clips. You've probably come across popular videos on YouTube that use AI to create funny Squid Game clips. Aren't they entertaining? If I told you that you could make these parody videos with just one free AI tool and earn a significant income on YouTube, you'd be even more excited. Yes, you heard it right. With just one AI tool, you can achieve AI parody. No third-party editing tools needed. No time wasted. With the magical LumeFlow AI, you can complete all steps of AI parody and editing. Just take a look at this channel. By posting 1-minute parody videos of Squid Game, they can earn up to $14,000 a month. Let me show you how to create a Squid Game parody video for free using AI. Let's start by clicking the LumeFlow AI link in the comments below. On the LumeFlow AI homepage, you'll find a ton of fun, completely free features to explore. For example, there's Video Remix, which lets you use AI to remix and parody popular IP videos. There's also an image-to-video feature, but today we're focusing on Video Remix. Click on Video Remix, and you'll see a variety of AI parody inspiration videos on the right side. You can reference these videos for your own creations. Alright, let's officially get started. Click Upload your video, and you'll notice on the right side that you can choose from LumeFlow AI's built-in templates to remix or parody your video. It's incredibly convenient. The effects of these templates are already displayed here. You can select based on your needs. Of course, the best part is that you can customize the parody instructions. Let me show you an example using a segment. You can upload a long video, and the amazing thing is that LumeFlow AI allows you to choose any frame from that long video for remixing, like this. Then, I input the remix instructions I want in the function area and select the model. Wow! Here we have the powerful VEO 3 model, along with LumeFlow AI's own developed model, as well as Pixverse AI and Vidu AI. Let me demonstrate LumeFlow AI's own model, and then let me input the prompt. Let's click Generate and wait. Wow, this effect is so much fun and interesting. It's really convenient. I can choose to present the visuals in various effects. Click the link in the comments below to download LumeFlow AI and start your AI remix journey. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.